Life is too busy. Where shall we find time to connect with each other? That is what most couples say nowadays. But I have very good news for you. Ordinary, everyday moments can also be connection moments. And in this series of videos, I'm going to give you a lot of examples. Here is one. An ordinary, everyday moment for most couples happens in the morning when one or both leaves the house for work or some other kind of responsibility. Here is how you can change that everyday moment into a connection moment. First of all, take 10 seconds to slow down that moment. During those 10 seconds, first of all, embrace and hug each other. Secondly, kiss each other properly. And thirdly, say something nice. Something like, for instance, "You're the best. I'm going to miss you today. I look forward to seeing you this afternoon. I'll be thinking of you today. Thank you for being my person." Or number 6, "Whatever this day brings, we are a team." If you say something nice, don't say the same thing every day. And please don't give advice or instruction. That is all for today. Remember, in healthy relationships, it is all about connection.